Hello and welcome to the introduction video for the unit NP3 multiplication and division. Okay, so previously you have studied the topics NP1 and NP2. NP1 is about place value, and we specifically focus on the decimal system that we use in our numbers. In that unit you learn how to multiply by 10, 100, 1000 and divide by 10, 100 and 1000 as well. Okay, and those skills will become useful in this unit. Then in NP2 we learn about addition and subtraction, the first two operations that we learn, and multiplication is a natural carry on from those because multiplication is repeated addition. So a bit of history about multiplication. As I'm sure you're aware, multiplication is very useful. Instead of having to add the same number time and time again, we can use multiplication to do it quickly. And the first evidence of people using that came a long time ago. In this picture you can see a tablet which was found in the Middle East, and it's from a civilization called the Sumerians. And they would have used this tablet here and multiplication tables to work out the area of land and divide it up fairly. In this unit you will learn lots of different algorithms of multiplication. You probably in the past have come across column multiplication and maybe grid multiplication. But one of the other methods we look at, which is particularly efficient, is Napiers Bones. Now Napier was from the 16th century, John Napier was from the 16th century, and he developed this machine that you can see in this picture to do multiplication, and you'll learn the written version of this multiplication. Multiplication is such an important skill to learn, whether it's working out the cost of multiple items when you're out shopping, or if you're doing a bit of painting at home and you want to work out how much paint you need. There's so many different practical contexts where you use multiplication. However, it's really important for your further mathematical study. If you've got a fluent knowledge of your times tables, if you've got lots of different mental strategies you can go to for difficult calculations, and if you're really good at your written methods as well, this is going to make higher level maths so much easier to learn. What comes next? After this you study NP4, which involves powers, which is multiple multiplications, roots, which is the inverse of powers, and primes, which are really important for the understanding of number. Then following that, NP5 is the order of operations, which brings everything you've done together so far. Okay, so what you need to do. You need to have your overview sheet in front of you, which should have been on the frog assignment that your teacher sent to you. On this overview sheet, it'll have a list of objectives. And for your set objective, you need to watch the introduction video. This will explain the tasks that you need to do. Following that, you then need to complete the activities listed and take a photo of it and send it onto the file drop through frog. As you're going along, tick off each task. Remember, don't miss anything out. Good luck.